If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Capital One, follow these simple steps to ensure the transaction is stopped before it processes. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Capital One account by visiting the website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, locate the Transactions or Activity section in your account dashboard. This area displays all your recent transactions, including pending ones. Step 3. Find a pending transaction. Scroll through your transaction list to identify the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are typically marked clearly. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click or tap on the pending transaction to view more details. Look for options related to managing the transaction, such as cancel or dispute. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. If the option to cancel is available, follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the transaction has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues or if the option to cancel is not available, consider contacting Capital One customer service for assistance.